Hello and welcome to this video over policy provisions, riders, and options for health insurance. Now, there's a lot of carryover between the provisions and riders from life insurance over to health insurance, but there are some nuances between some of these that I'll point out along the way. So first, let's start with provisions. The first provision is the entire contract provision. The entire contract provision says that the only things that can make up the contract are the application and the policy. So those two things have to be there. Then, if any riders were added, or if it's been amended in any way by the insurer. Remember, it's all about the documents in a policy. Prevents the insurer from referencing any outside documents at a later date if you have to go to court. Now, the grace period provision is going to differ for health insurance than it was in life insurance, because for health insurance, it will depend on the mode of premium payment, how often you're making your premium payments. Because with your health policies, you could pay them weekly and have a 7-day grace period. You could pay them monthly and have a 10-day grace period, or you could pay them all other modes, which could be quarterly, semi-annual, or annual, and have a 31-day grace period. So make sure you memorize these numbers, that weekly is 7 days, monthly is 10 days, and all other modes is 31. Now, let's say that your grace period goes by, you haven't paid your premium, your policy lapses. Well, you have the reinstatement provision. You can get a policy reinstated by paying any back premiums plus interest, improving insurability. Now, upon reinstatement, it is important to note that accidents will be covered immediately upon reinstatement. However, there will be a 10-day probationary period before any sicknesses will be covered. The whole purpose behind a 10-day probationary period is to help prevent adverse selection or sick people trying to commit fraud. These next three are more numbers to memorize. First is the notice of claim provision. If you have a claim, you must give notice of claim to the insurer within 20 days. Now, notice to the